Welcome. In front of me is an HONOR Magic8 Lite, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So, to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture, and in my case I'll be using home screen as an example for this. That's already open and visible on my screen, clearly. Now, for you, whatever you want to capture right now, have it open and visible on your screen, and once that's the case, all you will need to do is press the power button and volume down at the same time. Just a single click, you get this pop-up with scroll and share options visible. Now this scroll option, even though it was visible here, actually wouldn't do anything because there isn't anything really to scroll down on. This action isn't considered scrolling down on home screen for some reason, but as an example, settings has the option. So just to demonstrate, I'm going to do one more scroll shot, and it's going to automatically start scrolling. I can tap on the screen to stop it, move it myself, and then I just say complete, edit, and then click on the save button right here, and this saves the longer version of a screenshot. Now, whatever screenshot you might be looking later on for, all of them will be located in your gallery application, and they will be visible under Photos tab. You can see them right here, but they will also be visible under Albums, specifically album called Screenshots. Now this location will make it easiest to find whatever screenshot you'd be looking for, as it's not tangled up with any other photos, videos, and basically anything that is media related on your phone. It will be though mixed up with screen recordings, but that's much more manageable compared to your entire library. And here is the long shot, hence why there are the black bars right here, and then there are the normal screenshots. So there we go. Now, that's basically how you capture a screenshot on this device. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.